Welcome back to my channel. Gather personal information from a various social media networking site using a Sherlock. Sherlock is a Python-based tool that is used to gather information about target person over a various social media networking sites. Sherlock searches a vast number of social media networking sites for a given target user, locates the person, and display the result along with the complete URL related to the target person. Here we will use a Sherlock to gather personal information about the target from the social media networking site. Note, here we are gathering information about my personal name. However, you can select a target of your choice. So here is the Sherlock help command. Just type Sherlock and type the target name. My name is Virani. Okay. The result might be different when you are performing tasks. If you receive your error message between the ignore them. The attackers can further use the gather URLs to obtain sensitive information about the target such as the date of birth, employee status, and information about organization that they are working for, including the business strategies, potential clients, and upcoming projects plans. The concludes the demonstration of gathering personal information from a various social media networking site using a Sherlock. You can also use the such as a socialsearcher.com user recon gather additional information related the target company and its employee for a social networking site. So here was our search result was started, and first check the username as a path. Where is the username as a path created in web browsers, social media, and then create a back name Virani. Okay, so that's for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.